how to buy Anryton token. So this token came under the symbol of MOL, M-O-L. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, don't forget to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMEXC. To be able to buy this token, click on market, as you can see, and you will be able to find xt.com. So if you have an account on xt.com, click on this pair, and if you don't have an account on xt, go and create one. Now after you log into your account on xt.com, you will see this page to be able to buy this token. Now click on buy, select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see the total. This is how much you will be paying of that USDT on your account in order to buy this token, and click on buy mol. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy MOL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.